So here we go, this is the toaster unboxed. Ta-da! Vader's head. Should I just put this on display and leave it? Or should I actually use it as a toaster? So this does look good, don't you think? Look at that. So turn around the side. There we go. That's your toasty thing, your levels. It's got a little toasty tray underneath, apparently. Emergency buttons. Pull that up. Makes you wonder, would this melt then with all the heat? Obviously not. But so that's the toaster. You get the standard UK plug. Yeah, I think that's, there you go. There's another close look. That's everything at the back. So, shall we have a demonstration and see what happens? Right then. Okay, let's go over to the kitchen and see what's going to happen over the toaster. Let's just go a little more further down. Right. So, let's take the bread. As you can see, in goes the bread. Right, so I've pulled the lever at the back. So let's wait and see what happens. Smoking. This is all a bit dodgy. Right, hang on. Let's put it up to full power. Right, so you'll have to give this a minute, guys. Should be interesting. Should I put some advertising music on? Right, and we go. That's as if it's in it. No, let's give it a couple of more a minute, let's give it a few more seconds. From what I saw, I just pressed a button, it seems to say Star Wars, so I don't know, is this plastic going to melt? Kind of a bit worrying that. There's a tray underneath where you can pull it out with the crumbs and stuff, which is good. But I have a good toaster anyway. God, I don't know why I bought this. I don't know, I think it's... A friend of mine got a Cylon one, which were good. Right. Here we go. Well, right, so that's meant to say fucking Star Wars, which, right, that's bollocks up. Right, right. So there you go. Meant to do it on both sides, but Star Wars. There you go. So, right, that's my review of the Darth Vader Star Wars toaster. Not come out quite how I wanted it, maybe, but some messing about and get it perfect. So please give this video a share, give it a subscribe, give it a like, guys, and I'll speak to you soon. And this so-called the Darth Vader toaster.